Hey guys, welcome again to learn English sentences. So, in today's video, I'm going to give you some attractive sentences. So, before we begin, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it, and also give us a thumbs up if you like our work. Okay? So, let's get going. वो दिन कब वापस आएंगे? When will those days come back? When will those days come back? क्या ये दोस्ती है? Is this friendship? Is this friendship? मैं थोड़ा बहुत घबरा रहा हूँ. I am a bit nervous. I am a bit nervous. लॉकडाउन बढ़ाया जा चुका है. Lockdown has been extended. Lockdown has been extended. वो झूठा ग्लास है. That is used glass. That is used glass. ये सब तुम्हारे वजह से हुआ. It's all just because of you. It's all just because of you. पंखा खराब है. फैन इज़ आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर. फैन इज़ आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर. आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हो. यू आर टेकिंग मी रॉन्ग. यू आर टेकिंग मी रॉन्ग. हमेशा अपने बात के पक्के रहो. ऑलवेज बी ट्रू टू योर वर्ड्स. ऑलवेज बी ट्रू टू योर वर्ड्स. यहाँ कोई नहीं है. There is no one. There is no one. आप तैयार कब होंगे? When will you get ready? When will you get ready? क्या लेकर आना है? What to fetch? What to fetch? अपनी तमन्ना को जिंदा रखो. Keep your wish alive. Keep your wish alive. उसने मुझसे बात भी नहीं की. She didn't even talk to me. She didn't even talk to me. मैं इस मौके को आसानी से नहीं जाने दे सकता. I can't let this chance go easily. I can't let this chance go easily. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डरा हुआ है. He is panic stricken. He is panic stricken. मैं किसको बताऊं? Whom do I tell? Whom do I tell? समय निकलता जा रहा है. Time is running out. Time is running out. मैं आपका काम करवा दूंगी. I will get your work done. I will get your work done. मैं तुम्हारी बन जाऊंगी. I will become yours. I will become yours. ये कुछ सीखने का समय है. It's time to learn something. It's time to learn something. इस खबर ने मुझे खुश कर दिया. This news made me happy. This news made me happy. मुझे घुटन हो रही है. I am feeling suffocated. I am feeling suffocated. उसकी क्या समस्या है? What is his problem? What is his problem? फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम कितने बड़े हो. No matter how old you are. No matter how old you are. वो मेरे लिए सब कुछ है. He is everything to me. He is everything to me. ये बहस करने का समय नहीं है. It's no time to argue. It's no time to argue. वो बहुत मासूम है. She is so innocent. She is so innocent. तुम मुझे बार बार धक्का क्यों मार रहे हो? Why are you pushing me again and again? Why are you pushing me again and again? क्या आप सुन रहे हो जो मैं कह रही हूँ? Are you listening to me what I am saying? Are you listening to me what I am saying? उम्र से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. Age doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter. मुझे कुछ बताओ, मैं बोर हो रही हूँ. Tell me something, I am getting bored. Tell me something, I am getting bored. वो एक बहरूपिया है. He is an imposter. He is an imposter. बहुत दिन हो गए हैं. It has been so long. It has been so long. जहाँ तुम्हारा मन करे वहाँ सो जाओ. Sleep wherever you feel. Sleep wherever you feel. तुम किसको पसंद करते हो? Whom do you like? Whom do you like? वो मुझे सोने नहीं दे रहा है. He is not letting me sleep. He is not letting me sleep. बर्दाश्त की भी एक हद होती है. There is a limit to tolerate. There is a limit to tolerate. डींगे मत मारो. Don't boast. Don't boast. कहीं तुम गिर ना जाओ. Lest you should fall down. Lest you should fall down. तुमसे बहस करना ही बेकार है. It's useless arguing with you. It's useless arguing with you. जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगी. I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. मेरा सर चकरा रहा है. My mind is reeling. My mind is reeling. वो आधी रात कूद गया. He woke up in the middle of the night. He woke up in the middle of the night. उसे बलि का बकरा बनाया जा रहा था. She was being made a scapegoat. She was being made a scapegoat. मैं पूरी तरह सदमे में हूँ. I am shocked to the core. I am shocked to the core. बाहर जाने का ये सबसे अच्छा दिन है. It's a perfect day to go out. It's a perfect day to go out. मैंने सब नुस्खे आजमा लिए हैं. I have followed all prescription. I have followed all prescription. वो नर्म दिल वाली है. She has a gentle heart. She has a gentle heart. तुम क्यों लड़ रहे हो? Why are you fighting? Why are you fighting? मैं क्या कर पाता? What could I have done? What could I have done? वो तो वहाँ जाएगा ही. He will obviously go there. He will obviously go there. तुमने सारा खेल बिगाड़ दिया. You spoiled the whole game. You spoiled the whole game. बुरी खबर तेज़ी से फैलती है. Bad news spreads quickly. Bad news spreads quickly. मैं 9 बजे तक काम करूँगी. I will work till 9. I will work till 9. मुझे ये करवाना है. I have to get it done. I have to get it done. हमारे पास बहुत समय है. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. तुम पूरी तरह मेरे जैसे हो. You are quite similar to me. You are quite similar to me. तुम्हें चोट किसने पहुंचाई? Who hurt you? Who hurt you? मैं कभी बुरा नहीं मानता. I never mind. I never mind. गुदगुदी करना बंद करो. Stop tickling me. Stop tickling me. मेरे पैसे वापस कर दो. Give me back my money. गिव मी बैक माई मनी. वो मेरे सामने आया. He came up before me. He came up before me. ऐसा अक्सर होता है. Such a thing occurs frequently. Such a thing occurs frequently. उसने मुझे समझाया. She made me understand. She made me understand. जो हो चुका है सो हो चुका है. What is done cannot be undone. What is done cannot undone. मैं फिर से नहीं करूँगा. I will never do it again. I will never do it again. क्या मैं वजह जान सकता हूँ? May I know the reason? May I know the reason? मुझे नहीं पता कि उन्हें क्या पता है. I don't know what they know. I don't know what they know. हमें आने में देर हो सकती है. We may be late to arrive. We may be late to arrive. Okay, that's all for today. I'm so happy to give you these sentences. Please let me know if this was helpful by liking this video and commenting below if you like any sentence. Okay, and happy watching.